Welcome to this 10-minute meditation to release negative emotions, clear the clutter in your mind, and just be able to breathe. So, whenever you're ready, find yourself a comfortable space, close your eyes, rest your hands wherever feels more comfortable, and let's begin our journey inward. Before we do begin, take a moment to notice how you're feeling right now. Whatever emotions, thoughts, or tension you might be carrying. This is a time for you. Simply allow yourself to be here, arrive in this moment, and be present. Let's take our first slow, deep breath in and exhale slowly and fully. Feel the surface supporting you. Let your body relax. You're safe. You're supported. Another deep breath in and out. Settle into this moment. This is a time you have carved out for yourself. And breathe deeply, immersing yourself into this meditation, into the space where you're sitting. Feel yourself becoming more and more immersed. And let your breathing come to a natural state. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Feel your energy, your body, your mind all become one. Now I'd like you to imagine a staircase appearing in front of you. This staircase leads deep into your mind, to your inner room, place where all your thoughts and emotions are held. You take that first step and you notice any tension in your body. You breathe into it and you release. Moving slowly, you step up the next. You feel the weight of your thoughts. Observe those thoughts, the ones that are heavy and playing on your mind. You walk up the next step, and your chest may feel heavy. Acknowledge it. One at a time, we're moving up the next step. Thoughts could be spinning, chattering. It's okay, let them be. We're getting closer, nearly halfway. You are moving deeper. You are calm, you are safe, and you are supported. Take the next step. Feel your feet on the steps. Each movement is taking you closer to clarity. Move up the next step. You notice your mind slowing like a gentle breeze. Moving slowly, you step up the next. Any racing thoughts start to soften. We're near the top now. One at a time, we're moving up. You feel ready. Your inner room is near. You reach the doorway. Pause. Take a breath. Reach your hand out, open the door, and step inside. This is your room, your mind. Notice what is here. Corners are cluttered, areas are messy. Thoughts could be spinning like loose papers around the room. Notice, acknowledge what you can see. Each area of clutter, each piece of paper flying around the room is a worry or thought. Pick up the first thought or worry. Hold it gently. Thank it for showing up and place it outside the room and watch it float away. Another thought, another worry. Repeat the same. Acknowledge, thank, release. Imagine each of those negative emotions, stress, anger, sadness, all tucked into the corners of this room. Imagine those as objects, whatever they may look like for you. Pick it up, however heavy, carry it outside, set it down and let it go. As you do this, one thing after another, letting all of these things go, leaving this mind, this empty room, this space, lighter. You can hear the quiet returning, the silence. You can feel the weight lifting, and sunlight starts to stream in through the open windows. Sit in the center of your empty room. Take a deep breath in and fill your chest with all of that sunlight. Exhale fully. Release any lingering tension. Not only can you imagine, but you can see that your mind is a clear, open space, spacious, bright, and peaceful. Sense the lightness in your chest, your shoulders, and your head. Affirm with me, silently or out loud. I am clear. I am calm. I am light. I have let go. Feel the freedom of space inside your mind. Take one final deep breath in. Enjoy this clarity. Know that you can return to this room anytime. And bring gentle awareness back to your body, back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Take this calm, clarity and lightness into the rest of your day. And beautiful souls, if you enjoyed this meditation as much as I enjoyed making it, please leave me a short comment letting me know what you've let go of, and 3 emojis of whatever you decide. I love reading your comments, love knowing that you've got to the end of the meditation. Beautiful souls, thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe and share if you haven't yet. Namaste.